I'm going to show you how, by healing her gut, a patient balanced her hypothyroid condition and resolved her fatigue, brain fog, insomnia, and dropped 8 pounds of excess fat. My name is Dr. Tom Rofrano from the Natural Medicine Clinic in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, and author of the Free Diet. And I've been blessed to have seen over 100,000 patient visits over the last 38 years, many of whom have gut and thyroid issues. And this patient was one of them. A 60-year-old woman came in with fatigue, brain fog, constipation, bloating, insomnia. She was so tired that she needed a nap to get through the day. She was diagnosed with hypothyroidism 12 years earlier and had been on various thyroid medications up until about a year and a half ago, at which point she tried some alternatives, but still was feeling pretty bad. So I did some comprehensive lab testing, and her TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, was almost 10. Optimally, you want that at 0.3 to 2.5. So it showed she still had active hypothyroidism. She had low kidney function markers, high triglycerides, high LDL cholesterol, above optimal insulin, indicating some insulin resistance, and below optimal adrenal function. And functional testing indicated various deficiencies, including folate and other B vitamins, copper, glutathione. Under toxins, she had high mercury levels. Infections indicated active Epstein-Barr virus, candida yeast overgrowth, bacterial imbalance in her intestines. And for hormones, she had below optimal DHEA, which is an adrenal hormone, and melatonin, which of course is a sleep hormone. Under food reactions, she had a gluten sensitivity, which is the most common food reaction I see with thyroid dysfunction, and leaky gut, which of course leads to other food reactions, which she was sensitive to eggs, dairy, yeast, and others. So I put her on an anti-inflammatory diet I call the Free Diet, and a supplement protocol, which I'll go over shortly. And the result was at 3 months, her digestion was better. She had more energy. She no longer needed to take a nap to get through the day. She was sleeping better at night, less brain fog, and she dropped 8 pounds of excess fat, reaching her goal weight. And her TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, it went from almost 10 to below 1. And the following markers improved to normal. Her kidney function markers, LDL cholesterol, adrenal hormones, DHEA and cortisol improved, and her insulin improved over 65% to optimal levels. Her high mercury level decreased to normal, and her low iodine improved to normal levels. So how did we do that? Number one, the Free Diet, which is a diet I came up with years ago when I was discovering how to heal my own Hashimoto's autoimmune thyroid condition, rheumatoid arthritis, IBS, skin, and other health issues. So I was able to figure out how to get better. And this diet is free of not only gluten, but gluten grains, sugar, yeast, dairy, eggs, soy legumes, nightshades, processed foods, all those foods most commonly responsible for inflammation, gut, thyroid, and other chronic health issues. The diet consists of a smoothie for breakfast, which is high in protein, essential fats, fruits and vegetables, and fiber, and lunch and dinner, healthy form of protein, plenty of vegetables, and healthy fats. And I'll put a link for the Free Diet Phase 1 food chart below, along with other resources like the recipe for the smoothie. And as you get into phase 2 of the Free Diet, you start adding additional foods in to see how you react. As far as supplements, we use the Functional 5, which is multi-vitamin, vitamin D with K, magnesium, probiotic, other gut supportive nutrients, which include GI Men, gut immune repair, candida solve, gastric zyme, and then to help support healthy insulin levels and inflammation, curcumin, cardiometabolics, a thyroid support formula, adrenal support formula, and then melatonin, which she was low in, and then other nutrients that she was low in, which included methylfolate, B complex, copper, and others. So with following the Free Diet and the specific supplements she needed, she was able to heal her gut and thyroid, clear up her fatigue, brain fog, insomnia, drop 8 pounds of excess fat, and feel so much better, besides all those lab values that improved. If you have gut, thyroid, or other chronic health issues, if you find out the root causes and are provided the right solutions, I believe almost anyone can get better. So thanks for joining me today. I'll put a video that goes into the Free Diet in more detail here, and a link to the Free Diet Phase 1 below. Feel free to like and subscribe so more people can see this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.